OpenAI ChatGPT uses deep learning techniques, specifically a transformer network architecture, to generate text. It's trained on a large corpus of data and uses that training to generate text that's similar to what it's seen during training. When generating text, OpenAI ChatGPT uses the context of the input and the text that's been generated so far to generate the next word or sentence. While OpenAI ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it does have some limitations. It's not perfect and may sometimes generate text that's not accurate or coherent. However, it can be fine-tuned to improve its performance on specific use cases. OpenAI ChatGPT can also generate text in multiple languages and can be trained on specific domains, such as customer service or marketing, to generate text that's more relevant to those domains. Additionally, OpenAI ChatGPT can be integrated with other AI technologies, such as sentiment analysis and entity recognition, to enhance its capabilities and performance. Well, that's the fun part. Since its launch, people have been experimenting to discover everything the chatbot can and can't do, and some of the results have been mind-blowing. Learning the kinds of prompts and follow-up prompts that ChatGPT responds well to requires some experimentation though. Much like we've learned to get the information we want from traditional search engines, it can take some time to get the best results from ChatGPT. There are already online courses being published and sold on the matter. It really all depends on what you want out of it. To start out, try using it to write a template blog post, for example, or even blocks of code if you're a programmer. Our writers experimented with ChatGPT too, attempting to see if it could handle holiday shopping or even properly interpret astrological makeup. In both cases, we found limitations to what it could do while still being thoroughly impressed by the results. But the fun is in trying it out yourself. Whether you think ChatGPT is an amazing piece of tech or will lead to the destruction of the internet as we know it, it's worth trying out for yourself to see just what it's capable of. You can't ask anything, though. OpenAI has safeguards in place in order to build a safe and beneficial artificial general intelligence. That means any questions that are hateful, sexist, racist, or discriminatory in any way are generally off limits. There's no doubt that the tech world has become obsessed with ChatGPT right now, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. ChatGPT 4, the model's next iteration, will supposedly improve the accuracy and capability of ChatGPT significantly. There's no firm release date for it yet, but the New York Times reported that it would launch sometime in the first quarter of 2023. But the bigger development will be how ChatGPT is integrated into other applications. Microsoft reportedly made a multi-billion-dollar investment in ChatGPT, which is already starting to pay off. The first integration was in Teams Premium, with some of OpenAI's features showing up to automate tasks and provide transcripts. With ChatGPT now available in Bing, it's only a matter of time before we see ChatGPT and OpenAI's other technologies wrapped into applications like PowerPoint and Word. All that to say, if you think AI is a big deal now, wait until it's built into the most common applications that are used for work and school. We don't know how or when this will start to roll out, but it's certainly an important part of the future of ChatGPT. If you want to learn basics of using this technology, you can read the article. In this, you will find chat's use in different fields as well. Have a nice day.